Space, perspective, physics are being invalidated. All stages for neat movies, it need feelings. These are the comments about digital artifacts that I want to introduce to everybody today. Levitation. Levitation is a collaborative performance by SILA, an interactive media, turnkey production and conceptual design company based in Moscow in Europe, and a fantastic choreographer, Anna Abelikina. The performance was broadcasted on the reality competition TV show Bolshoi Ballet, which 5 years ago gained more than 20 million views worldwide. Standing at the intersection of theater, choreography, high technology, and illusion, the video was not only creative in terms of performing arts, interaction design, but also video mapping and motion graphics. There were only 2 colors in the video, black and white, but it was not because the team lowered the saturation. Instead, the director may want to focus more on the subject and the surrounding forms. The dancer constantly bent and stretched, which seems like he's engaged in a battle with his inner self. Those movements, to me, are analogous to the disturbing intensity in twisted bodies in the works of SILA, a famous German expressionist. Besides, the use of shapes that follow the dancer's movement was also a notable creative aspect in the video. Each circle, triangle, or square shape has its own symbolic meaning. And because it was heavily influenced by modernism, this was a simple yet sophisticated organization of space. Another vital feature of the project was the graphic imagery itself, which was based on the Unity development software. No post-production effect were used, it's purely the concept and perspective at work. The graphics was rendered in real time during the performance, adapting to the dancer's move and the camera. They also used an unconventional shooting angle to create an illusion of the dancer levitating in the air by flipping the image upside down. This innovative and original method of working helped them a lot in delivering their messages. Just like the name Levitation, the creators wanted to convey the message of harmony and balance. They were looking for a state of peace and contemplation through dance and digital effects. The video made me reflect on life and each breath that I take. I have the sensation that my body is weightless and that I'm floating around, and then realized that I have always been doing rather than being. Just like a wake-up call, the video reminds me of how fast my life pace has been these days. Another work that gives me the same feeling and also used a combination of dance, video mapping, and technology, it's The Movement of Air. This project of Claire Badane and Adrienne Mundet took the viewers into a universe where bodies fly away to the land of dreams and made the invisible visible with the movement of air. Despite some similarities, there are several differences between these 2 pieces of art. The soundtrack and Levitation accompany each movement of the character more closely. And because the movement of air featured more dancers than Levitation, the movement of air captivated viewers with its love triangle and external issues, rather than the internal self-expression and reflection of Levitation. Indeed, creativity is nothing but a mindset free. Each individual artist's work reflects their own personal outlook on life. Especially in the day of digital revolution, creativity extends far beyond what we previously imagined. Perhaps we don't need to fantasize about King Midas, who used magic to transform everything he touched into gold. Humans may now capable of achieving more without the need for supernatural force. They can create works of art anywhere, at any time, using just their own small hands, some technologies, and the secret ingredient, their creativity.